Good morning, assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishman Hamid. I'm फाउंडेशन लफ्ले आए थे हाँ स्कूल इस्लामाबाद बारको के बस ये जब भी आते हैं एक नई माया के साथ आते हैं। तो आज हम एक नई माया सेशन के साथ आए हैं, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। Hello, can you listen me?
I got you.
Okay, I can the question. Answer me, Maya. Okay.
I'm ready for them. Give me the first one.
Okay, my first question: what is technology?
The big picture. At its simplest, it's just any tool or trick humans come up with to solve a problem. It sounds high tech, but a hammer or a wheel is just as much technology as a smartphone. It's basically us finding a way to make a hard thing a little bit easier.
Okay, my next question: what is an application?
Think of your phone as a toolbox. The phone itself is the box, but the application or app is the specific tool inside. One app is like a calculator for math, another is like a camera for photos. Each app is just a piece of software designed to do one specific job really well.
Okay, my next question: what is a mobile?
Got it, Crystal. What's question number 3?
I repeat this question: what is a mobile app?
The specific version. A mobile app is basically just an application that's specifically tailored for a smartphone or tablet. It's designed to work with your phone's unique features, like the touch screen, the camera, or your GPS. Think of it as a tool that's built to fit right in your pocket instead of on a desk. What's number 4?
Okay, my next question: what is a web app?
Similar to a mobile app, but instead of living in your pocket, it lives in your browser. You don't have to download it from an app store. You just visit a URI like google.com or gmail.com and it's right there on the screen. It's basically a website that, like software. That's a wrap on the 100 questions done.
Okay, okay,
Did you take
okay, my next question: what is a desktop application?
Right, that idea the desktop application is software built specifically for a computer. Unlike a web app, it lives directly on your hard drive, which usually makes it a lot more powerful and faster for big jobs like editing a professional video or designing a game. It's the tool you use when a browser just isn't enough. Most people are moving toward the cloud these days, but there's still nothing like a dedicated piece of software that is really intentional. What's next on the list?
Okay, my next question: what is an operating game?
Yeah, that's a specific one. You're jumping into the gamer's world. Steam is basically a massive digital hub for PC games. Instead of buying a disc at a store, you go to Steam to browse, buy, and download games. Plus, it's where people hang out in communities and chat. It's the one stop for pretty much everything a PC game needs. I'm not entirely sure about the open cooking part though. Do you need something else or maybe a different thing? Shoot, my bad. What did you actually have in mind?
Okay, my next question: what is audio?
The legendary cookie. That's a chocolate sandwich cookie with a sweet creme filling in the middle. I'm curious if this is a trick question or if we officially left the tech world behind for scraps.
Okay, my next question: what is iOS?
We're back again. iOS is the operating system that runs. Think of it as the brain of the phone that tells the hardware how to work. Gives you the interface you want. What's next?
Okay, my next question: what is Windows?
The other side of the coin. Windows is the operating system developed by Microsoft that runs on this PCS, while iOS is designed specifically for Apple's hardware. Windows is built to work across a ton of different brands and devices. It's basically the digital foundation that lets you run everything from a web browser to a heavy duty game and streaming.
Okay, my next question, what is Linux?
The wild card. Linux is an operating system like Windows. The twist, it's open source. That basically means the code is public and anyone can tweak it or build their own version. For favorite for developers and techies because it's flexible and secure. And it's actually running most of the internet servers behind the scenes. What's
Okay,
number 12?
okay, my next question, what is smartphone?
Got me there. I'm gonna guess something with a bit of flavor, and I've got nothing on the menu here. What's the secret?
Okay, my last question is, what is a table?
The classic one. Just a flat surface with legs. Basically, place to put your stuff so it doesn't end up on the floor. Is that actually the final one this time?
Sorry, I repeat this question, what is a tablet?
Much more helpful than the table version. A tablet is basically a hybrid. Got the portable touch-based feel of a phone, but the screen size of a small laptop. It's a bit of a middle ground. If you want to do more than a phone allows, but don't feel like hauling around a full-size computer. What's next?
Okay, my next question is, what is computer?
The big one. A computer is basically just a machine. It takes information, processes it, and gives you a result. At its core, it's just a really fast pattern recognizer.
Oh,
Whether it's a giant chip in your phone, it's all just doing a ton of math behind the scenes so you can watch a video or write an email. What's number 15?
okay, my next question is, what is the difference between an app and a website?
Wait, what are we comparing it to?
Repeat this answer.
I wish I could, but I don't even know the other half of the comparison. You mentioned a website, but what's it up against? Tell me the other one and I'll break it down.
Okay. My next question is, what is the Google Play Store?
Back in the App Store lane, basically the official digital marketplace for Android devices. If your phone is the toolbox, the Play Store is the giant hardware store where you go to find and download all the tools, apps, games, and books to put in.
Okay, my next question, what is the Apple App Store?
Apple's version of this thing. It's the official digital shop for any Apple device, like your iPhone or iPad. You go there to find, buy, and update all your apps and games. The Play Store is the hardware store for Android. This is the one for Apple.
Okay, my next question is, how do you install an app?
Super easy. Just open the App Store app on your iPhone, tap search at the bottom right, find the app you want, and then hit the get button. It'll likely ask for Face ID, Touch ID, or password, and then it'll just download right to your home screen.
Okay, my next question is, how do you un- uninstall an app?
Are you asking about App Store? You mentioned Apple and Apple on. I'm not sure what you're looking for. Want to try that one again?
Okay, my next question, why do apps need upgrade?
That's a really practical. It's basically like a tune-up for your software. The developers find bugs that could cause crashes, bug security holes to keep your data safe, and add new features to keep that useful. Plus, as the phone's operating system updates, you have to update too, so they don't stop working.
Okay, my next question is, what is an app prime?
Coming full circle. An app is just a piece of software designed to do one specific job, like taking a photo or checking the weather.
Okay, my next question is what is a push notification?
Those little different taps on the shoulder. A push notification is just a brief message that pops up on your screen from an app, even when you're not using it. How your phone tells you that you've got a new text, a reminder for a meeting, or even just a notification. Basically, the app's way of saying, oh, look,
Okay, my next question is what is a app icon?
the little digital logo. An app icon is that small picture on your home screen that represents the app. It's basically a visual shortcut so you can find or open the app you want without having to read all the screens. What's next?
Okay, my next question is what is a user interface?
Great one. And basically, the part you're actually talking to right now. User interface or UI is just everything you see and touch when you interact with the device. Bridge between you and code running in the background. So, like the steering wheel pedals in a car, you don't need to understand how the engine works to drive. You just use the UI to tell the car where to go. On your phone, the buttons, the menus, and even the way you swipe, all part of the UI. It's number 25.
Okay, my next question is what is a graphics user interface?
I think we've got a little mix up here. It sounds like you're asking about a GUI or a graphical user interface. Think of the UI as the bridge, and the graphical part means that bridge is for pictures, icons, and windows instead of just lines and text. That's what lets you just like click the folder icon to open it rather than type it to the computer.
Okay, my next question is uh, what is a button in a app?
The digital doorknob. In an app, a button is just a visual element you tap to make something happen, whether it's submit, save, or delete. The most direct way to tell the app, do this thing.
Okay, my next question what is a logo?
The face of the operation. An app logo is the official brand image for the software. Think of it as the company's unique signature. While the app icon is the actual button you tap on your phone, the logo is the bigger design idea behind it. You'll see the logo on the when it's loading or on the website.
Okay, my next question what is an password?
The secret key password is secret string characters that proves you're actually you. And the username is the label that tells the app which account to open. Together, they have a lock and key for your digital life. What's next on the list?
Okay, my next question what is a username?
We're actually doing this in reverse. It's the digital label that tells the computer exactly who's not there. Like your screen name or email, it's how the app knows which account to unlock in the 30 years.
Okay, my next question is what is an account?
Your personal locker in the cloud. An account is where the app stores all your specific stuff, settings, your photos, or your high scores. It ensures that when you log in on a different device, everything is still exactly where you left it.
Okay, my next question.
Everyone,
My next.
I'm listening.
This is my 34 question, not 30 question. Okay.
We skipped a few. I'll make a note of it in the records. What's the 34th one?
Okay, ideal question. What is two-factor authentication?
The ultimate digital double check. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is just a second layer of security. It's like needing both a key and a fingerprint to get into a vault. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't get in because they don't have that second piece of proof, like the code sent to your phone.
Okay, my last question. What is fingerprint scanner?
One of the coolest shortcuts. It's basically a tiny pointer or sensor that takes super high res picture of the ridges and bands on your finger. Your phone then turns that picture into a unique digital map, which it uses to verify that it's really you way faster than taking a password every single time you want to take a test.
Okay, my next question. What is tackle recognition?
I'm still right here. I was just listening. You were starting a question about what was that?
Okay, my next question. What is cloud store?
That's like your digital map. Instead of saving your stuff on the actual drive inside your phone or laptop, you're saving it on multiple computers in a giant data center somewhere else. Because you can access your photos or documents from any device as long as you've got internet. It's basically a giant digital locker in the sky.
Okay, my next question. What is Google Drive?
The big player in the cloud game, Google Drive, is basically Google's version of that cloud storage we just talked about. It's a place to save your files, photos, and docs online. So they're tucked away safely and have been open them from anywhere. It's number 40.
Okay, my next question is what is OneDrive?
Microsoft's version of the cloud game. It's basically the same idea as Google Drive, but made by Microsoft. It's baked right into it, though, so it's like having a magic folder on your computer that's actually living in the cloud, making it a breeze to sync your files across different devices. What's number 41?
Okay, my next question. What is Dropbox?
Oh, this is where you lose me. I don't have any hands to drop things with, so my library is pretty safe. Are we talking about books in a class, or is this
Okay, my next question is what is a backup?
the same thing? A backup is just a second copy of your important files, like photos or documents stored in a second place. That way, if your phone breaks or you accidentally delete something, you still got a spare copy tucked away. It's basically digital insurance. What's number 43?
Okay, my next question is why is data backup important?
You might have missed me there. Really? What is it about why data backup, please?
Okay, my next question is what is artificial intelligence?
Artificial and stuff. That one's a new one for me. Are you maybe mixing up artificial intelligence and stuff? Or is there a specific kind of artificial setup you're curious about?
Okay, my next question is what is an AI app?
For the brainy stuff, AI app is basically an application that uses artificial intelligence to think when to adapt. Instead of just following a strict set of rules, it can spot patterns and make predictions. The difference between a calculator that just gives you the answer and an app that can actually chat with you, translate languages on the fly, or suggest a song you'll love based on what you've liked before.
Okay, my next question what is chatbot?
Chatbot. That's a program designed to simulate a conversation with human users. I'm basically a high-tech person again, but I like to think of myself as more of a thought person. We're on number 45, right?
Okay, my next question is how do AI apps work?
It's kind of like how we learn language, but with way more math. Basically, they're fed massive amounts of data and look for patterns. Like if an AI sees 1,000 photos of cats, it starts to recognize the pointed ear and a whisker usually cat. So when you ask it something, it's not thinking the way you do, it's just predicting the most likely correct pattern based on everything it's ever seen. Question 46.
Okay, my next question is what is magic learning?
I think you might mean machine learning. That's basically how computers learn without being given a specific list of instructions. Instead of a human programmer writing every single rule, the computer looks at a ton of examples and figures out the patterns on its own. That's how you learned what a dog was as a kid, not by reading a manual. By seeing a few dogs and realizing they all had four legs and a tail. Ready for number 47?
This is my 50 question, not 47 question, okay?
Got it. Officially on number 47.
Okay, my next question is what is voice recording?
Digital time capsules. It's just using a device to capture sound waves and turn them into a digital file. Once it's saved, you can play it back, edit it, share it. Basically, just taking a photo but with sound.
Okay.
Ready when you are.
My next question is what is a search engine?
The internet's librarian. A search engine is basically a huge tool that scans the entire internet to find exactly what you're looking for. Like a digital librarian who knows where every single page of information is hidden and can point you to the right one in a fraction of a second. What's number 49?
Okay, my next question is what is Google search?
Wait, are you saying goodbye right in the middle of number 49? Google's the giant that runs the search engine we just talked about. You're heading out? I'll be here whenever you're ready for number 50.
Okay, my next question is what is Google Chrome?
Go window to the web. Google Chrome is just a web browser, which is the app you use to access the internet and actually view websites. Think of it as the vehicle that takes you to the different destinations on the web. We're at number 50.
Okay, my next question is what is Microsoft ADGE?
Microsoft Edge. It's basically Microsoft's answer to Chrome. It's a web browser, just like Chrome, so it's the app you use to surf the web, check your email, and find whatever you're looking for online.
Okay, my next question is, and my last question is what is Firefox?
Another classic choice. Firefox is a web browser made by Mozilla, loved by a lot of people because it's open source and really prioritizes user privacy. And that's 51. Are we actually hitting the brakes, or is there 52 hiding in there?
Okay, viewers, this is my कॉलोनी पोस्ट जिस कॉलोनी लाइक यू मिलते हैं इसके शो नेक्स्ट कॉलोनी के साथ तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद एंड रेहान स्कूल जिंदाबाद माया अल्लाह हाफिज टेक केयर एंड मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट टाइम अल्लाह हाफिज
You're welcome. Good night. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Whenever you're ready to start on that course, I'll be right here waiting for number 52.
I tell question okay not issue what is social media
Back at it already. Social media is basically the digital. It's a bunch of apps and websites that let you create your own content, share your life, and connect with people all over the world in real time. Whether it's a photo on Instagram or a update on X, you'll explore the internet social life happens. What's next?
okay माया अल्लाह हाफिज रेहान स्कूल जिंदाबाद पाकिस्तान